Hi, my name is Brian with Ace Appliance in Toledo, Ohio, and welcome back to another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com.
Alright, today we're looking at a Whirlpool side-by-side refrigerator, and the complaint is that it's not dispensing ice. And we have our ice paddle here, so if we push this in to call for ice, there's nothing happens. We should hear the auger motor kick on and run, and ice should be coming out of here. The flapper door does open, so the door opens to allow the ice to come out, but we're just not dispensing any ice. Ice maker's working fine, plenty of ice there. It's just not dispensing. So we're going to take a look behind here at our mechanism and switches and things and see what's going on. The tools needed for this repair are a tack puller, or you can use a flathead screwdriver. Okay. First thing to do is just remove our drip pan here from the dispenser. And to remove this panel trim, or dispenser trim, there's going to be two slots down here on the bottom on either side to be able to insert, I'm using a tack puller or a flathead screwdriver to remove the tabs it clips onto. So we're just going to pry out on that a little bit, being careful not to break it. This other side over here popped off with it. So now we can lift it straight up, and you can see the wires that are connected here. So you can see a couple of switches here, wiring for our light bulb over here, and this is part of the door opener for our ice chute here. And what I noticed here is if you look over here, the problem is this switch here, which I'm able just to grab and pull out, is broken, or the housing that this switch goes onto is broken. So this switch, what happens is when you push, if you can see back in here, when you push the switch in, or when you push the paddle in, there's an arm attached to the paddle that comes forward, and that switch sits here, and it's supposed to engage that switch, which then closes the switch and turns power on for the auger motor for ice to come out through the dispenser here. And you can see over here on the water one, when we push the paddle in, same thing happens. There's a switch on this side for the water, and it hits that switch, pushes that switch in. So what we're going to have to do is the switch here is held on by this plastic housing, and the arms and the clip here are broken off from this plastic housing. So to repair this, we're going to have to replace our plastic housing here. Alright, so on the Whirlpool side-by-side refrigerator that's not dispensing ice, we found that the housing that holds the switch in place is broken, so we're going to have to order the housing for the switch and come back and replace it.
Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com.